Anyone who's set up an electric fence before and put hot wires at mid or low height will be familiar with the problem that I'm demonstrating right here of the hot wires fouling against the stay of any type of end assembly. And the same problem can occur with box end assemblies with wire stays that aren't crossed over, or steel box end assemblies with the steel stay in the middle. Well, Fencestay reckon they've got a solution to this problem. An insulator kit that covers all of their end assembly and lets you keep all of your insulators at the end post, keeping your end assembly live with the rest of your fence and fully protected. Let's see how the kit works, see what it's like to use. So there are two Fencestay insulator kits available. The first one is for their FS1000, which is designed to work beautifully both with your standard size stock post and also a round post available from Fencestay. And then you've got a larger kit designed to work with your FS2000, which has both a permanent and temporary solution there with the stock post XL or the round pipe. Today I'm going to be assembling the kit on these two stock posts that are already in the ground and see how it assembles together. Now there are 3 lengths of insulator in the kit and it's pretty simple to work out which one goes where, but we'll go through that step by step right now. Start out by putting your diagonal brace onto your inside stock post. Then get the shortest insulator, slide it on over the top. The diagonal stay takes the longest insulator, and then your end post takes the medium size. Now all we've got to do is bolt together the end assembly and we've got a fully insulated end post system. So with the insulator kit installed, it means that all of the posts that can come in contact with hot wires are fully insulated. I've still elected to go with an insulator off the end post because I don't want people to brush past through the gateway and get a nasty shock. Another market that I see for this is horse people. They love black stuff. So with kits not only for the small Fencestay units, but the larger Fencestay units in both temporary and permanent post options, these black insulator kits not only look fantastic, they're really functionally clever, and they'll keep your fence fully insulated from all your hot wires no matter how close you go to the end post. Guys, if you like this kind of video and like finding out about new stuff in agriculture, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and I'll see you next week with something new.